So we are putting the motherboard into the case. Of course, we got our MicroATX motherboard, and as everyone does, we struggle with the post. So we're going to continue to struggle. We got one in to mark our point and make it stable. We had to find a little tiny screwdriver so that we can make this look easy for you. All right. You know what? I didn't even see that. And there goes. Yeah. We need to put in 2 extra posts, which made that whole thing fun. We tried to make it look easy for her, and look what happened. And that's fine. I miscounted. I forgot about these 2 guys down here. And so we need to put a post. Where do they need to go? Yeah, that's the right spot. Here, I know you can't see. You can see it now. There and there, we need a post to go there. All right, so we're gonna do that. Yes, sir. Yep, it doesn't need to go in tight. Yep. Can you do that one too? Yeah, Mr. Kenneth's working to put his computer together. Yes, sir. It's always good to know what's in your box, even if you don't know what's going on in your box. Isn't that right? Amen. All right. So we're going to try this one more time. Okay. Yep, they're all matching up. Except for this one. Why isn't that one matching up? Oh, that's nice. That's on me. I told them where to screw the wrong place to screw it in. All right. Okay. 5th time's a charm. Boom shakalaka. And now we can use this one as the everything's easier with a small screwdriver.
Yes. I see.
2 more. All right. As you can see, it's still a little bit wiggly wobbly. We don't want to screw it all the way in just yet. We might need that wiggle room for cable management. So we're going to keep it like that for right now. You can see, you won't be able to see black on black. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you, Mr. Kenneth. And then 2 more up top. 5, 6. Okay. All right.